Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I bought this at ToyMate for $5 and it's a great price. Do you want to open it now? Let's open it. Let's see what characters are inside. Look, it's Peppa Pig. I opened the box and this is what is inside it. This one has a strawberry t-shirt with blue on it. Then Peppa over there has a red shirt with a brown shovel, grey on it. Then whatever that's called on with the pockets is apron on her. She might be doing some gardening or something with her mum. And then she got black shoes, the same as a rabbit. Black shoes. Then we have a watering can with that nice flower on it. And a big thing. Then we have gardening stuff. Which has apples. I think it's strawberries actually, I didn't notice. Strawberries. Nice watering plant bit and stuff. Okay, I got this one at ToyMate again. This one was $5 and it's really good quality. Let's open it. Okay, this one has polka dots because he's very sick. And he's called George. He has a dinosaur green pajamas, dinosaur on his pajamas. Then his ears, and then he has, because he's sick, he has polka dots. It's called chicken pox. His chicken pox. And he gets very itchy. Then we have Peppa. She has an outfit on. She has a stethoscope. She also has a thing on his thing. And she has a hat with a thing on it. And white shoes, and he has no shoes. And then we have the bear. The bear has a band-aid on. This one has a medical box. Yep, and that. Then you can play them however you like. And you can pretend play with them if you like and do whatever you like. But it's very good quality and it's very good. You can buy it with your own money if you have some. Otherwise, you have to earn pocket money or do something like that. Or even if you're on a holiday, you can buy something like this. And it probably won't be cheap or anything, but you have to ask your mum. You'll save a lot of money if you want to buy something else, of course, a Peppa Pig or something else. And then that's about it. These are the Peppa Pig characters. These cost me $10 to get all these characters. They come in separate boxes, but you ask your mum, and if you ask your mum, she might say yes, she might say no. You never know what's going to happen on the day. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.